In this video, we're driving on the highway and we can see this sign here telling us up ahead is going to be a merge lane on the right. So people might be coming up to merge onto the highway. And the idea here is to maintain your speed in this lane and just watch to see where the cars in the merge lane will end up as they're coming up to merge. So in this case, we can see that the vehicles up ahead, the ones that were in the merge lane, got up to speed relatively quickly. And I would have liked to see that this person picks up their pace a little bit more. But notice we're pretty much neck and neck here. They're a little bit further ahead of us. And we can see that up ahead, the merge lane is going to be perforated. So that's indicating that at any point here, when this vehicle deems that it's safe, they're going to enter in this lane. So now is not a good time to try to zoom past this vehicle, especially when you can see that they're making a conscious effort of getting up to speed. It's better just to ease off the gas a little bit, let them merge here, and then maintain the flow of traffic. So it was good to see that they weren't in a huge rush to get into this lane. Instead, what they did, we can see here they're picking up their pace a bit more rapidly and trying to build a differential here between us before making the merge happen. So they kind of merge around here, which is good. This is near the end of their merge lane. So they did maximize their merge lane before they entered into the highway here. So long story short, if you can help this person out by slightly easing off the gas, then do so. Alternatively, if it's safe, there's no one beside you and you've done a shoulder check to the left, do a safe lane to the left to accommodate more space here for the vehicles coming up to merge. In this case, we didn't do that because, as you could see earlier, we had a vehicle on the side here. So we didn't feel the need to move over to the left, but at the same time, we are still paying attention to these vehicles here, ensuring that we're maintaining a safe gap here for them to merge. Now, notice I didn't say we need to slow down to let them in, okay? We're not slowing down because if we suddenly slow down, it can be unpredictable to the car behind us. So we're trying to maintain our speed, but if we can, we might ease off our gas just momentarily to make this merge a little bit more smooth for this vehicle coming up. Ultimately, this person should match the flow of traffic up to the speed limit to try to make a safe lane change into our lane.